Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today we're talking about clothes in Setswana. Are you ready, kids? First of all, the word for pants in Setswana is borukwe. And the word for shirt in Setswana is hempe. The word for dress in Setswana is mosese. And a shoe is setlako. But the word for shoes is ditlako. And the word for sock is kauso. But the word for socks is dikauso. So, we have borukwe, hempe, mosese, dikauso, and ditlako. And now you know the words for clothes in Setswana. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Tsala zinhle.